Welcome back. So today we have headed to one of our bucket list destinations. It was all very much last minute. We booked everything the day before we flew. So you haven't heard from us for a couple of days. It was raining and crabby, so we decided best to stay indoors and make sure everything was sorted for the next couple of weeks or so. But we've headed here and we are currently in Borneo. Not tomorrow, but the day after, we're doing a tour and we're heading out for 3 days, 2 nights. But we're super excited for this one. I've always wanted to come here, so has Chloe. Can't wait to get started. One of the recommendations with the tour is that we get some trousers. We've come to the mall to see if we can find any, but so far nothing fits.
He threw his trousers out that we had from our last jungle about 3 days ago.
I didn't think I need them, all these trousers. None of them fit me. We were stopped by a bunch of kids who wanted a selfie. They don't get a lot of Westerners around here, I'm presuming. So we did a little selfie with them, and then yeah, now we just got to find Chloe some glasses, and then we're all done.
Shop, and then another lady saw our camera and was like, YouTube? And we were like, yeah, and she asked for our channel name and subscribe, so hello to you.
She's having our own photo shoot. As Chloe's having many more selfies, I'm going to stop for a second and send the drone up, yeah, and go take a look around. So we've been on the search for a dry bag for a bit and haven't found anything. We keep on finding 20-litre bags, but we don't find 30. Ideally we need a 30 to protect with the camera gear, so yeah, I think we're going to give up on that and just keep having a look around, I guess.
Since being here, we've only seen like 5 other Westerners and it's caused a lot of attention. People will be shouting out all their cars, in the shopping mall. So you just get waved at now. We walked a bit further out of town. Again, there's not really too much to do, so we're going to head back and freshen up and then probably go out for dinner.
Another one waving.